Sir, last year po nakuha na ako ng registration sa BIR pero hindi po natuloy yung operation up to now. Magbabayad po ba ako at meron penalty? Sa BIR po kung walang income, wala naman pong tax na babayaran. Pero hindi po ibig sabihin na wala kang operation ay wala ka nang ifa-file or i-comply kay BIR. Nasa BIR Certificate of Registration mo po under tax types. Lahat po ng tax returns doon dapat mong i-comply or i-file with or without income, with or without operation. Kapag hindi mo po yun nagagawa, doon po magkakaroon ng penalty. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at J Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Kapag may question ka regarding freelancer BIR registration at ITR filing, i-comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.